So welcome back to Cocktails Jamaica. I'm your host, Randy Thomas, and for you guys today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a hot beverage, but it is a twist on a classic cocktail which is called the Irish coffee, but I'm going to do a Jamaican version of the drink. So if you're interested in drink related content, you know what I'm going to say. Please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, click the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a video. So soon come back. It is the Jamaican version of the Irish coffee. So I'm not going to use coffee today, I'm going to use rum cream, and I'm going to use cocoa, otherwise known as chocolate. Alright, so in Jamaica we use the chocolate as a tea, and guys, it is very hot. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to add some vodka. So we're going to keep it similar to the classic. So I'm going to add 1 ounce of vodka. And with this drink, it is perfect for the winter season because you know the time is so cold. So now, I'm going to add some rum cream. And if you have flavored rum cream at home, feel free to use that as well. So I'm going to use 2 ounces of that. And this also adds a little bit of sweetness to the drink. So this is chocolate tea, guys. So this is very easy to make. All you need is hot water and also your chocolate ball. So you're gonna grate that over the hot water, or what some persons do, they grate it first and then add the hot water. Then I slightly sweeten this because you know you don't want it too fresh because you're gonna add it to the drink. So I'm going to use 2 ounces of that, or maybe 3. So I'm gonna give it 1 more ounce just to bring up the flavor some more. Alright? Just gonna give it a little stir. Now just to pretty it up a bit, we're gonna add some whipped cream. So it's a lovely dessert drink, guys, and also you can have it in the morning if you want. You can substitute the alcohol. And look at it. Very beautiful. Very easy to make. So I'm going to taste and let you guys know what I'm tasting. So if you're tasting the drink and not getting this, well, you're doing something wrong. This is expected because of the whipped cream and everything like that. You have to clean up your nose after. So if you want to prevent that, you can subtract the whipped cream. But it's a really delicious dessert drink. And I know in Jamaica, when it comes on to Christmas time or in the Caribbean, we love to use rum cream. So you can try this version, and you can also tag me on Instagram. So that's the end of the video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. See you next week Friday, and you can also check out my Irish coffee cocktail. So big up on yourself.